Good morning, dear students. In the last video, you have learnt about the size, shape of the seeds and also which seeds you can eat and which seeds you cannot eat. Today, we are going to learn about the structure of a seed. Okay? All seeds have a baby plant inside them. So for example, which vegetable is this? Do you know, dear students? Yes, it's a potato. Okay? So this is a vegetable which children like it. Okay? So in this vegetable, in potato, you can see a coating here. Okay, so this is the coating of a potato. Okay, this is called the seed coat. What is this called? Seed coat. And here we have a holes in that. See here, it has holes, right? So if you see at home, you take one potato, you can see it has many holes on the potato. Okay, so this is what the covering is called. It is called a outer covering. Okay, this is the outer covering of a potato. Okay, so this is the outer covering. This outer covering is called a seed coat. What is this called? Outer covering is called a seed coat. Okay, so this is the seed coat and it has a tiny holes in the seed coat. So this is the seed coat and it has a tiny holes in the seed coat. Okay, through which, okay, so from here the holes, from these holes, it gets water. Okay, so this is the seeds which gets water. Okay, so from here it gets water to germinate, means to grow. Okay, so here you can see small tiny thing, it's coming out. No, see here the small thing, it's coming out. So for example, if you have potatoes at home, you can see on that the small baby plant will be coming out from that potato. Okay, so seeds are inside. Okay, so in the holes these seeds will get water and it start germinating. Okay, see, dear students, as I explained you about a potato, showing the potato I had explained you. Okay, the same thing it's here. All seeds have a baby plant inside them. So all seeds, for example, potato, I already showed you about it. Okay, then beetroot, you can see beetroot also it gets the baby plant. Even coconut. So many vegetables, fruits and even the sprouts, if you soak for some time, for 2 days, 3 days, you will get the sprouts outside, right, from the pulses. So here also, it's all seeds have a baby plant inside them. Given the right conditions, the seed germinates and grows into a new plant. So if that seed gets the right condition, means it gets air and also the sunlight, proper sunlight, the seed starts to germinate and grow into a baby plant. Okay. So the best example is potato. You can see if you keep in the basket, even the new plant you can see growing. Okay, that will be the best example for you to observe at home. Okay, so try to observe those potatoes which are growing at home. Okay, so all seeds have an outer covering called the seed coat. So this is the seed coat. Outer covering is the seed coat. Okay, so there are tiny holes in the seed coat through which the seed gets water to germinate. Okay, from the holes the seed gets water and starts germinating. Okay. Okay. Now in this picture you can see a potato or else a seed growing into a new baby plant. So that baby plant what's growing here, it's called embryo. What it is called? Embryo. So spell after me, E-M-B-R-Y-O. Embryo. What is that? E-M-B-R-Y-O. Embryo. Spell once again. E-M-B-R-Y-O. Embryo. Okay. So this is called a baby plant. Embryo is nothing but a name of a baby plant. Okay. So what we call as a baby plant, in a scientific way it is called it as a embryo. Okay. Then the seeds. Okay. So these are seed leaves. It's called cotyledons. What it is called? Cotyledons. Say once again, cotyledons. So spell after me, C-O-T-Y-L-E-D-O-N-S. Cotyledons. Okay. Say once again, C-O-T-C-O-T-Y-L-E-D-O-N-S. Cotyledons. Say once again, C-O-T-Y-L-E-D-O-N-S. Cotyledons. Okay. So you can spell C-O-T-Y-L-E-D-O-N-S. Cotyledons. Okay. So these are seed leaves which provide food for the embryo. Okay. This provides food for the embryo in the starting age. In the starting age or stage. Okay. So it is the starting stage when it grows, or else starting stage is also called the initial stage of germination. Okay, understood now dear students? So this is cotyledons and embryo. Embryo is a baby plant. Okay, and seed leaves are cotyledons. Understood? See dear students, in this picture you can see a seed growing to a plant. So this is the stages. Okay. The dry seed absorbs water and swells out. So if you take a simple one bean you can take. Okay. So kidney bean or else pulses, any pulses you take. If you put water and soak it, what happens to that seed? It absorbs water. It takes intake water and it swells out. It will become fat. Okay. So it takes water inside and it swells out. As the seed swells, the seed coat splits and a small white structure comes out. This is called the So this is called radicle. The radicle grows downwards into the root. So radicle, when the sprouts, okay, the sprouts come out, it grows downwards in the root, into the root. Okay, that is called radicle. Here in this picture you can see, here the radicle has become the roots. Okay, and this is the seed coat. Okay, seed coat opens completely. The seeds, it opens the completely. Okay, so this is the seed coat. It opens completely and the plumule is exposed. So this is the plumule. Okay, this is the bud, the initial stage of the plant. Okay, before the embryo. Embryo is a small baby plant, right? So before the embryo, plumule is senior. Okay, so when the seed coats open, the plumule is seen, exposed, or it comes out. This grows upwards. Okay, this plumule grows upwards. The water and the nutrients for the plant are absorbed by the roots that have grown out of the seed. So what happens? The water and nutrients for the plant are absorbed from the roots. Okay, the cotyledons begin to shrink. So this is the cotyledons. It begins to shrinks, means it disappears slowly. Okay, in the next picture you can see the cotyledons are disappeared here completely, and here the cotyledons, it has slowly turns into a seedlings. Okay, later on it disappears and the little plant is able to support itself, entirely support itself and grow into its own. So it support itself and grows into a big plant. Okay, so here the seedlings, okay, seedlings, the cotyledons will become slowly disappear, means it disappears. Only the plant grows. Okay, so these are the stages of the seed. See here, seed, first it absorbs the water, then the radicle grows downwards. Okay, then later on the seed coat opens and the plumule is exposed. Okay, then later on, then what happens in the next stage? The seed slowly turns into a seedlings and the cotyledons disappears. Okay, these are the stages of the seeds growing into a plant. Okay, still now I hope you have understood. Okay, so these are the difficult words you should learn. Okay, so cotyledons, then embryo, then radicle, then plumule, okay, seedlings, all these are difficult words. Spell properly and learn it. Okay, dear students, understood now?